Hello, namaste, welcome back to my YouTube channel. Today we are gonna do noodles. Before buying any noodles from the store, just check the package behind. Choose healthy as possible. The product which I am using is made of wheat, egg and salt and the product of Vietnam. For the boiling water, add noodles. Cook around 2 to 4 minutes. Add oil so that the noodles should not stick to one another. Add some salt for taste. Mix well. After it is completely cooked, strain it and keep it aside. For the pan, add oil, mustard seeds, cumin seeds, moong dal, chana dal and stir well. Add 1 medium-sized chopped onion. Stir unless it becomes a bit brown color. Add chopped garlic. We are using 6 to 7 cloves of the garlic. Always remember that the more the garlic, the more the flavor in any kind of noodles you are preparing. Add tomato sauce. Mix well. Add soya sauce. The soya sauce and the garlic are the two main ingredients which make the noodles amazing. Add salt. Coriander powder, turmeric powder, red chili powder and mix well. Now again add soya sauce and mix well. Now add noodles which you have strained before and mix it properly so that the masala get mixed well with the noodles. If you have not subscribed to my YouTube channel, don't forget to subscribe for regular updates. Now the noodles is ready to serve. Vietnam style Indian noodles. If you like it, do share it with your friends and family. Don't forget to like it and comment below. Thanks for watching. See you in the next video.